Hello, Daniel here, and I've got another AutoFlex Connect settings tutorial video for you guys. Today I'm going to go through variable output timed events. If you are looking for relay timed events, then see my previous video. I'm already logged in here and I'm on my home page, and I have a variable output that I've configured as a timed event. So I'm going to go ahead and go into the settings. If you watched my previous video on timed events, then this is going to look very similar. So here we'll need to select a schedule. Because we don't have any variable timed events schedules created yet, then we're going to have to create a new schedule. We'll call this one we'll just call it lights and create, and then select it. We'll need to save that, and then we can go in and edit. So here, the schedule settings page is going to look very similar. Let's just create our first segment, start day 1. And here you can see it looks basically exactly the same as for the relay timed events, only we set our state to a percentage rather than setting it to either on or off. So we can go ahead and build our schedule. Like I have in the past, I am going to speed up the video here for this section so that you don't have to sit and wait for a bunch of minutes while I go and build out the schedule. Talk to you in a little bit. As this video runs, I'm just going to talk over a little bit. What I will be doing is I'm going to be doing an example curve of like something that might be in a chicken brooder barn. So basically I'm going to be doing 5 different days, 6 different days, days 1 through 5, during which the first day I'm going to set it up so we have lights on for the full 24 hours at 25% for a few hours, and then 100% for the majority of the time. And then day 2, I'm going to add in an hour of darkness. Day 3, I add in another hour of darkness for 2 total hours of darkness. And then that continues on with 3 hours of darkness in day 4 and then 4 hours of darkness in day 5. As well, for days 4 and day 5, I am going to lower the max brightness down to 50%. And then my 6th segment, my final segment, will be my market day, and that'll be day 40, and then that's just actually using the same curve as day 5, just continuing that on, so that if it is 41 or 42 days, if it does take a little bit longer, then it just stays at that same curve. But these curves are not necessarily something you want to exactly emulate for your barn, but they are just kind of an example of a real-world situation or a real-world application where you might have a curve something like this for your barn. All right, and we are done. That's about it. That is how you do variable outputs with timed events and make even multiple segments or multiple days in your schedule. I will see you guys in the next video.